A fitness glow-up isn't just about abs, it's about becoming a whole new version of yourself. On this channel, I talk about fitness, self-improvement, and building a stronger mindset. In today's video, I'm going to break down what a real fitness glow-up actually means, beyond just physical changes, and how it can completely transform your body, confidence, and daily life. In this video, I'll break down what a real fitness glow-up means, and how you can achieve one step by step. A lot of people think a fitness glow-up is just about losing weight or building muscles, but it's much more than that. A real glow-up is a complete transformation of your body, mind, and lifestyle. Physically, it's not just about how you look in the mirror. It's about becoming stronger, improving your stamina, and building a healthier body overall. Mentally, a fitness glow-up builds confidence and discipline. You begin to trust yourself more because you're showing up consistently, even on days you don't feel like it. On top of that, your lifestyle starts to change. You develop better habits, like eating more mindfully, staying consistent with workouts, and prioritizing rest and recovery. Over time, these small habits create a powerful routine that supports your growth. So, a true fitness glow-up isn't about chasing a perfect body. It's about becoming the strongest, most confident, and healthiest version of yourself, inside and out. Common misconceptions. A lot of people misunderstand what a real glow-up in fitness actually means. First of all, a glow-up is not a quick transformation. It doesn't happen in a few days or even a few weeks. Real change takes time, patience, and consistency. A true glow-up is built slowly, through daily effort and small improvements that add up over time. Secondly, a glow-up is not just about appearance. Yes, your body may change, but that's only one part of the transformation. What truly matters is how you feel, your confidence, your mindset, and your overall health. When you focus only on looks, you miss the deeper benefits that fitness brings into your life. Lastly, a glow-up is definitely not about starving yourself or following extreme diets. Those approaches might give short-term results, but they are not sustainable and can harm your health. A real glow-up comes from nourishing your body, staying consistent, and building habits that you can maintain long-term. Every real fitness glow-up begins with starting messy. In the beginning, you won't have the perfect routine, the best knowledge, or even the motivation every day, and that's completely okay. You might feel confused, make mistakes, or not see results right away, but that's part of the process. Along the way, you'll face struggles. You might even doubt yourself and wonder if it's all worth it. But these challenges are what shape your journey and make your progress meaningful. The most important part of a glow-up is staying consistent through all of it. Consistency doesn't mean being perfect, it means not giving up. Over time, these imperfect but consistent efforts are what lead to real, lasting transformation, turning your messy start into a powerful glow-up story. You don't need a perfect workout plan or a strict diet from day one. Begin with simple steps, like short workouts a few times a week and making slightly healthier food choices. Focus on building habits rather than chasing quick results. Remember, it's not about doing everything at once. It's about taking that first step and improving little by little every day. You don't need to have perfect workouts, a flawless diet, or follow everything exactly right every single day. There will be days when you miss a workout or don't eat as planned, and that's okay. What truly matters is getting back on track and not giving up. Progress comes from showing up again and again, even with small efforts. Tracking your progress is a powerful part of your fitness glow-up because it helps you see how far you've come, even when the changes feel slow. Progress isn't always visible in the mirror, so keeping track of your workouts, strength levels, energy, or even how your clothes fit can remind you that you're improving. At the same time, it's important to be patient with the process. There will be phases where progress feels slow or invisible, but that doesn't mean nothing is happening. Your body and mind are still adapting and growing. When you combine tracking your progress with patience, you create a balanced mindset. You stay aware of your growth without rushing it, and you learn to appreciate small wins along the way. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start your fitness glow-up, this is your sign to begin today. You don't need perfect conditions, the best plan, or endless motivation. You just need to take the first step. Every small action you take right now brings you closer to the person you want to become. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back, because progress only happens when you start. A year from now, you'll wish you had started today. So take that step, stay committed, and begin your journey toward a stronger, healthier, and more confident version of yourself. If you found this video helpful or motivating, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Your support really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to create better videos for you. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What does a glow up mean to you? Is it physical changes, mental growth, or something deeper? Drop your answer in the comments below.